Good morning. This is my third day of a mini staycation, we will say. And let me go to get coffee. I woke up a little early. My husband had plans to go fishing with a friend, and I had to be the one waking him up. There, too close to the fire. Let me get you closer. Okay, close enough. And I have to wake up at 4 in the morning. Well, 3:45 and wake him up so he can go to fish. So now I have the house all for myself and the dogs. Well, the coffee is brewing. Let's go how it looks outside. Looks like a nice day. Got my sneaking dog here. I know you cannot go outside. You're a runner. Let's go to get the coffee. And I have the other one there. Now she's so old and it has so much trouble to move, right? But she's a sweetie. My sweet baby. And my crazy dog. Let's go to get coffee. Yesterday I was decided to finish my blouse, but I didn't notice that I don't have the right elastic for my sleeves. Just when I was getting ready to work that, the elastic that I have is way too wide and I need a pretty small one. And also I don't have this right interface for that goes in the middle here. So I will have to wait for that. I already ordered on Amazon. And maybe I have to trace the next project, but I'm waiting a box. Oh my gosh, I'm waiting this box. I hope it arrives soon and I will show you. So all will depend on what I get in that box. Doing some cleaning here. I have some leftovers fabrics. I cut in 2 different sizes of squares. This is 3x3 and these are 4x4 because I can have different kind of projects that I can do. And maybe some of them will be like gift for Christmas, so I can collect. What, Frosty? Let's go to get breakfast. Let's go to make some breakfast. Where are you? And this is the fabric that I will work. I think I will do a very simple shirt. Is this one because I don't have a lot, and I have to do with the ruffle there. And I will do with the little scallop part just to give a little better touch of the blouse. Will be nice. I think I like the idea. So I have some bread, some leftovers of some veggies here, so I think I will cook those, toast my bread, and it will be a very delicious. I want to put a little more of tomato. That would be great. He just came from outside. So that would be a nice breakfast and coffee. I was waiting so bad for this. I'm finally here. It's supposed to arrive yesterday, right? You know how it goes. Oh my gosh. So excited. So I will check first what I have here, and then I show you. So this is a subscription box from SewHayley Jane, comes from UK. I've been watching the videos about this subscription for years. I follow a lot of great people in YouTube that do amazing job with sewing, and I decided after so many years that I will get one. So now I'm excited to see. Let's see. Look at that, it's already. Okay, let's see what I got here, and I will show you in. Okay, let me show you. I try to look at surface that you can see better my items. So I already look what is inside. I will just share with you how it comes. This is a subscription box. They have 3 options. They have the luxury box, classic, that is the one that I signed it, and then they have the, oh, I don't know the name of the small one, but the prices are in pounds, so you have to convert that on dollars or whatever that you're using in your country. This one is 70 or 75, depends, I am not sure. So it may be a little pricey if you think about, but at the same time I think it's really good deal. I bought yesterday 2 fabrics. They were quilting fabrics and just very narrow, and 2 of those were $65 for me. And this box comes included with the price that I paid everything, also the shipping and everything. And this is something that comes from UK with things that I will never maybe get here, and that is what it makes more special, this box. That's the reason I subscribed. So let me share what it comes inside. Every box, every classic box comes with a magazine that is created by Hayley Jane, and it has all description of previous projects, future projects and everything. So I will now show you right now, so you can see also what I have here. She will send you a delicious UK or European candy that I'm sure that I would not find here, so I'm very curious about that. And I don't know what it is about subscription boxes that send you some sweet. I love that. I used to be subscribed to Knit Crate, and they used to send you a sweet, and it was like, oh, I really wanted to know what I was getting. So this time I get Party Rings Minis. I'm not sure what they are. It's like 91 calories, and I think they are vegan also. Must be like cookies. It looks so much like some cookies that I have in Argentina. They also give you fat quarters. 4 fat quarters for the classics box, 3 for the mini, and 5 for the luxury. And this is what I got. So the first one, I really like this. It looks kind of like, can be nice for a Halloween project. It's a beautiful color. I don't know if you can see, there you go. Really nice one. The second one is this floral, also very cute. It's giving me good ideas. Very cute floral. Yeah. This is the third one. Another nice color, more with whites and everything. They tried to match all. The theme of this was, let me see, in the Tilly's Dream. Tilly at the bottom is one of the designers from UK. She makes amazing projects, and I think I share with you some books that I got from her. She teaches so well how to sew. Look at this one, it's so pretty. Very nice. I like this. I will for sure look some projects, and I will show you what I have kind of looking on that. So those are the fat quarters. Also they send this elastic. I love the way that they put together like a little ribbon. Really cute. You know, elastic is very useful for so many things. They send this iron and board, I don't know, patch, how do you call it? That you can put in any, I don't know, like a project, like a dress or something. It's really cute. I think this is created also for Tilly and the button. Tilly made these kind of colors and stuff. They send you a thread. This is a Guterman, how do you call this? Guterman thread is 100 yards, and it's usually the color of your fabric, so you're ready to sew. And this is my fabric. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I love this. It's a viscose and is 2.5 meters. Oh, look at the drape of this. I have not done anything on this kind of fabric. Will be my first time. I'm so excited. The color is beautiful. So the thread is matching, so you can use with this. So nice. And you can use also black if you want, you know, it will still working really good. For the classic box, that is the one that I got, is 2.5 meters, or practically almost 2.5 yards. It's very close. The mini has 1 meter, and the luxury box has 3.5. But let me explain. For the classic and the mini, you get the same fabric, sometimes different colors or something, but it's still the same. The luxury box usually get a different kind of fabric. I will not lie, so far in all the videos that I watched, I love more the classic fabric, and it was one of the things that made me want to get the classic. Now, why I didn't want to show you the magazine yet, but I will show you now. This magazine has a lot of information about Tilly, the interview with Tilly Walms, that is the creator of Tilly and the Buttons. And so Hayley usually put a lot of information too. She shared like people that got the fabrics from previous boxes and all their creations, the make of them on. If somebody did something like this, like, oh wow, the way that they use the fabrics and something. I think this was the previous month. Yeah, this was for the classic. And then you have here 3 boxes, 3 makes. So Esther made a blouse, a really nice cute blouse with this fabric, and this is, she has the mini box, so it's 1 meter. This is Gemma. She got the luxury box, so she has 3.5 meters, and this is the one that they had the fabric, it's so hard to see, that has the luxury box. It's like hands, it's a kind of I think it's a viscose too, yeah. And the white is hands, like different shape of hands. And this is Laura, that she made with a 2.5 meters. She made this dress. I think it's a really cute dress. Yeah, using the fabric from the classic box. Now this is the fat quarters. Tamlin, she has a YouTube channel also, and she made these, how do you call this? It's like a mat organizer for your sewing machine using the fat quarters. So there is where it comes my ideas for this beautiful fabric. I think I want to do this blouse. You need 1 2.5 meters, I think. Let me check. Need 2.25 yards of this for this one, and I have 2.5 meters. That is pretty close to two. So I will have 2.25 yards. So that's the one that I want to do. I think it's a very pretty one. It's a Simplicity 9469. And I think we'll look good on this, and the draping and everything. And for the fat quarters, I like the idea of the mat, but I was looking at, I have projects here. They have the mat here, and I like how they put like a very light background, and then they put the colors on the front for that one. So maybe that is the option that I will go. I will look for like a light color fabric and put the other ones as a background. What else we have in the magazine? Oh yes, she showed you how to do the project that she did. Here you have Maker's Gallery, more people that work with some of the fabrics and fat quarters. Profile is Emma. This is a nice fabric. I saw the last month. It's beautiful. Then Patterns Peak, and there are patterns. These are more tilly on the bottoms patterns, and they're really cute. I think I have this one too, and I'm waiting another one. And then a Spotlight Verse for fabrics. And then what is Hayley little links, like what she's reading, what she's enjoying, different kind of things that she shares with everybody. And here you have what is in the box, and it shows you the mini box, the classic box, and the luxury box, and things like if you want to keep track of what you're making and what you should make. So that's what I got today. Now I need to, I think I will go to sew the borders of my fabric and put in the laundry machine. Yeah, because I don't want that these get damaged when I'm sewing. I read, because I never did any viscose, that is easy to, like if you want it just in your machine, put those together and sew together and then wash in that way, so it would not get bad. Or use a serge. Maybe it's time to try my serge. Okay, let's keep moving.